Good day, everyone. I'm bringing you greetings from Guam, where we have been hired by a client to do an audit. But I wanted to just reach out and talk to you because it's been a while. I hope all is well with you. I am Joye Sistrunk of Premier Group. Just wanted to say hello and kind of check in and have a chat with you about all of the different things that are going on. As business owners, we have so many things going through our mind and so much stress to be had. But recently, with Silicon Valley Bank and all of their issues, I thought it was important that we have just a quick chat and a check-in for all of those who have more than $250,000 in the bank. Because what it made me do was to go back and do some research, because when we do audits, we often tell people anytime you have more than $250,000 in the bank, your money is exposed. But what does that actually mean? It means that through all of our research that we've been doing, what it means is anytime you have more than $250,000, the FDIC is only insuring you up to $250,000. What happened with Silicon Valley Bank was this was a warning shot, and those people got lucky. There were people who had millions of dollars in the bank, and they decided to give everyone back their full deposit. But that's because it was a major disaster. It was going to collapse the market, but we can't expect for that to happen every time. So when they say they're only insuring up to $250,000, we need to believe them. So what that means is when you have more than that amount in the bank, you can only have it in a checking account or by type. So they'll insure $250 in a checking account, and they'll insure $250 in a savings account. So you might have that money at the same bank. But if you have more than $500,000, then maybe we might need to open up another account someplace else. And I can tell you, as a CPA, I've always not kind of liked having a million bank accounts, but because you don't want that exposure, it is important that you look at your risk and say, well, maybe I need to open another account at different banks, at credit unions. Again, I hate a million accounts, but you need to make sure your money is not at risk. And even sometimes I've been asked, you can invest business funds in a stock account, but again, that's not insured, so you are taking a risk. So we're always paying attention, but this was a warning shot. And so since it is a warning shot, take a look at your accounts, see where you are. If you have more than $250 in an account, you might need to either open a savings account or consider putting money in another bank account just to make sure you're okay. So stay well, and I'll be talking to you soon. And oh, by the way, if you're a client of ours and you haven't sent your documents in, we need to receive them by Monday, April 3rd, or we are filing an extension for you, and we will see you after April 18th, the tax deadline for this year. Stay safe and be well.